Welcome! Solid Bead is the only saloon of the Flacco Gangs. There's a you listen to post and use a lot of every bead. On my cloud, there's a Flacco Games open. Yeah! Use Japan, not jumping. The first is Canada, the Spongebob Squid Hands. Here it comes, and first turnips in the make it. Hey look, I don't someone didn't make it. Ouch, that is not hurt. The first is Canada, that's Patra Star. Do you help prevent this jump in? Then the wheelie and the funny is the first wheel toe and someone at the cross. Oops, this wheel is common that the someone is the garbage at the bozo. What? The first discussion is an honor to watch this our talking on. How do you use this as someone else to be? The first soldiers and this other government's proposal. We did out in the special, but there's someone instructions 2000. As soon as we to this microwave and use it how it balls. And you get ready for the Spongebob. Here we go. The vote is the one else, that is the one that counts it. I thought this gonna go is Patrick.
What kind of place is this?
He did not yesterday. How would you with this password? Microwave weather 3000. 3000 hairs that you calls and you are back. The first is gonna go and there's someone the doggy dog. What smells so good? It's a fact. This is the other six instructions. He knows that this is something someone else is going to have already seen. Spongebob, lots points. Patrick, last place. Doggy Dawn, 0 points. The other there's no help, is someone selling it yet.